I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Jeep Wrangler vs Dodge Durango, which is better. I'll break down handling, interior space, fuel economy, maintenance costs, and real-world comfort so you can decide. We'll compare ride feel, cargo capacity, towing limits, and ownership costs in plain language. I aim to make this simple and practical, with clear takeaways for buyers weighing adventure versus everyday utility. Let's talk performance and handling in practical terms so you feel the difference before driving either model. The Wrangler favors low-speed control, solid axles, and off-road gearing that help on rock and mud. The Durango focuses on composed highway behavior, available V8 power, and stable towing dynamics for family duty. I'll explain how each choice affects daily commutes, weekend trips, and long highway runs. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future comparisons. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use all the time, great for road trips or tailgates, and they won't spill in your trunk. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Space and comfort are huge factors when choosing between these two popular SUVs, so let's keep this friendly and useful. The Durango wins for passenger comfort, cargo room, and longer range cruising, making family travel easier. The Wrangler gives unique open-air freedom and a rugged cabin that appeals to enthusiasts, while compromising cargo and rear seat comfort. I'll show practical examples of how that affects daily life and packing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.